You know, in those photos or even in a group photos with their friends, the photo is nice, everyone is looking nice, but your photo and your eye, you know, those red eye problem, whenever you turn on the flash or something in your photos, you know, the red eye problem, it can be fixed. Actually, it can be fixed through Pixlr. So if you want to remove that red eye from that photo, then you've come to the right place. You don't need to keep on like clicking another photo. You can simply edit it from the Pixlr. It's quite simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app. And here, as you can see, there is a picture of a red eye. So in order to fix this, let's go to this tools, and there's literally an option that says red eye. You need to tap into that, and it says tap the center of each eye to remove redness. So let's zoom right in. All you have to do is tap in the center of the red eye. So let's tap in, and see, there's a little remaining. So let's go to the other side, and let's tap in the center. There's still some, so I guess this is it. So it's much better than the photo before. So this is how you remove your red eye in the Pixlr app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.